Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send self-destructing photo in Telegram. So first of all, you just have to open your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and then in the search bar just search for this Telegram and check if your Telegram is up to date or not. As you can see, if you have any update, just make sure to update it. So after updating, just open your Telegram application and make sure that you are in a particular conversation, or if you are currently at the charts page, just tap on the particular conversation you want to send self-destructing photo to, and here just click on this clip icon at the bottom, and you can click on this camera over here. Just take a photo like that. So to send this as a self-destructing photo, just press and hold on this send button right here that is in the blue icon, and click on this schedule message, and this is the duration of the photo when it is going to be self-destructing the photo. So for example, I'm just going to set it like it's now up to set on 1 minute. You can set it whatever time you want, so the person you will send after that time, the photo will immediately self-destruct or remove from the chats. So I'm just going to set it this 1 minute and click on send. So for example, if that person click on to view that photo after 1 second, it will immediately be self-destructing within this chat and be removed from the chat. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.